Some people, and I like to do it to a certain degree, but because it's going on the noodles, I'm going to lay off a little bit. But you can add a little garlic. You could roast the garlic. You can saute the garlic if you want it cooked. I usually, when I make a vinaigrette, leave it raw. But you could do a roasted garlic vinaigrette. So I'm not going to put too much in. I'm just going to put like a half a teaspoon. All right. I'm going to put a little bit of Dijon. A little bit of Dijon helps emulsify the vinaigrette. I'm going to put just a touch of salt and pepper. And then you can take this vinaigrette a lot of different directions. For example, I'm going to use red wine vinegar, which is my favorite. But you could use champagne vinegar, you could apple cider vinegar, you could use balsamic vinegar, white balsamic vinegar, tarragon vinegar. I mean, it's really personal choice of the type of vinegar you want. You could even just do a plain white vinegar. It's really up to you. I do marinated cucumbers and red onions. I always use a plain white vinegar. You know, when I do a sweet and sour, I always use just a plain white vinegar. Marinated beets, I always just use a plain white vinegar. But with a vinaigrette, I myself like a red wine vinegar. So I'm not going to make too much. That's my 1 part acid. My acidity is my red wine vinegar. That's my 1 part. So it's about a quarter of an inch from the bottom of the first rim. So then I'm going to add 3 times that of oil. Today I have corn oil. You could use virgin olive oil. You could use just regular olive oil. You could use safflower oil. You could use peanut oil. It's really up to you where you want to take this. I like corn oil. It's got a nice neutral flavor. But it's a 3 parts. So there's my 3 parts. 3 parts oil to 1 part vinaigrette. And then you're going to blend this up. Now this will separate. I'm creating an emulsion